Students, we discussed that when metal reacts with oxygen, they form metallic oxides, which are basic in nature. But there are two metals which will react with oxygen, they'll form metallic oxides, and those metallic oxides are acidic as well as basic in nature. So bache, now we'll discuss those two oxides. Bache. Amphoteric word consists of a word that is amphi. Amphi means both. Both natures are shown by an oxide of metal. That is, it shows acidic behavior if a base is present with it, and it shows basic behavior if an acid is present with it. So, metal oxide or some metal oxides show acidic as well as basic behavior. These oxides which do so are known as amphoteric oxides. So if someone asks you what are amphoteric oxides, the oxides of metals which shows acidic as well as basic behavior or basic nature are known as amphoteric oxides. There are two oxides which are amphoteric in nature. First one is zinc oxide, that is ZnO, and other one is aluminium oxide, that is Al2O3. A very important question for your board exam. What are amphoteric oxides? Give two examples and write their reactions. First we'll discuss about the zinc oxide. When zinc oxide reacts with hydrochloric acid, it will form zinc chloride, it's a salt beta, and produce water. So here there is no confusion with it. When an acid reacts with a base, it will form salt and water. No problem is there. Metallic oxides are basic in nature. But this zinc oxide may also react with one of the strongest base we have, that is sodium hydroxide, and may form a salt, that is sodium zincate. This salt is known as sodium zincate, along with the release of water. So bache, if we look at this reaction very carefully, here it is reacting with a base and forming salt and water. So when an acid reacts with a base, only then a salt and water is formed. So here it shows acidic behavior, and in the first reaction it was showing basic behavior. So zinc oxide, the one oxide which is made up of metal, which shows acidic nature as well as basic nature. So those type of oxides of metal are known as amphoteric oxides. The second example is aluminium oxide. When aluminium oxide reacts with HCl, it will form a salt aluminium chloride along with the release of water. This is an acid which acid? Hydrochloric acid, HCl, hydrogen chloride. When it reacts with aluminium oxide, that is the base in this reaction. Acid reacts with a base, a salt and water is produced. No confusion there. Metal oxides are basic in nature and it shows its basic behavior here. No issues at all. When an acid reacts with a base, it will form salt and water. But this aluminium oxide may also react with NaOH and will form NaAlO2, that is sodium aluminate. It is a salt, beta. So this here acts as an acid. Why? NaOH is base, which sodium hydroxide base hi rahega hamesha. So when this base is reacting with this acid, it will forming a salt along with the release of water. So in the first reaction, aluminium oxide shows basic behavior, whereas in the second reaction, the aluminium oxide shows acidic behavior. And these type of oxides are known as amphoteric oxide. A very important definition, example as well as these reactions. Do it very, very carefully.